Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the SSD is visible in BIOS/UEFI and noting model and capacity. This tells you if hardware is recognized. Next, boot Windows 11 into safe mode, or better, use a WinPE USB so you can run repairs offline without Windows locking files. Once done, immediately copy critical files to an external drive or cloud to prevent data loss during repair operations. Make sure the backup completed. Without it, you risk permanent loss when we rewrite metadata and partitions. You now run diagnostics. Use the SSD Maker's utility to check smart data and apply firmware updates. This fixes controller bugs. Then, from WinPE run chkdsk/f/r against the affected partition to repair file system errors and recover readable data sectors. This can take hours depending on size. After that, open diskpart to inspect partition table. If GPT is corrupted, use GPT-Gen or Windows re-repair tools to rewrite the GUID table. These steps address logical corruption while preserving readable data where possible. Finish by verifying the file system and running a full surface test. If chkdsk cannot repair the file system, create a disk image for recovery, then reformat and reinstall Windows to restore stability. If firmware or persistent errors remain, perform a secure erase to reset the SSD's internal mapping, then reinitialize partitions and restore your backup. If the drive still shows errors after changing cable or port and testing in another PC, you likely have hardware failure. Contact the vendor for RMA. One tip: always image before destructive fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.